New York City has a lot of really cool and unique things for fingerboarders, so on my trip to the city, I decided to check out Tiny Skateshop. The Tiny Skateshop is located inside of the Plug coffee shop, and it's a place where you can check out and buy fingerboard goodies from brands from all over the world. Plus, they have a really cool mini fingerboard display, and they host local fingerboard events throughout the year. Hello, can I grab this, and then can I do a hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Geraldine, right?
Yes.
Just met a while ago.
Okay.
In St. Louis, somewhere.
Oh, at the
Chems event.
I didn't know you were from New York City. That's awesome. Thank you. It was good to see you again.
I missed it.
Me too. It was a really beautiful sunny day, so after I grabbed a hot chocolate and a pack of fingerboard tape, I decided to take a short walk to a nearby spot and have a little outdoor session.